Let me see. What's the matter? What's the matter? Are you feeling better?
No.
Let me see.
Cough.
You don't have a cough. Oh, really? How about your belly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're all better now.
Cough.
Let me see your cough.
Oh, you're sick, huh?
You don't feel good? Let me see. Where does it hurt? Uh-huh. Why? Do you want medicine? Yeah.
What one, Daddy?
It's a silly joke.
What one? Me?
Yeah, you're funny.
Open my mouth. Hey. My mouth. Yes. I have cough and my tummy.
You have a cough in your tummy? Okay. You have a cough in your tummy? Yeah. Is there any more medicine in there?
No.
Yeah, we're going to get some more. That's for your temperature. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Blow a kiss.